Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to share your website on Wix in just a few simple steps. I'll be showing you this on the web version. First thing we need to do is publish your site. At the top right of the editor, you'll see the publish button. Go ahead and click that. If this is your first time publishing, a dialog will appear asking you to choose a domain option. You've got two choices here: use a free Wix domain or connect a custom domain if you already own one. For now, we'll go with the free option. Click the radio button next to use a free Wix domain, then click the Publish Site button at the bottom. Your site will now go live with a free Wix URL. It'll be in the format something like yoursite.wixsite.com/yoursitename. Once that's done, your site is now live on the internet. Next, we need to grab the actual URL so you can share it. At the top of the editor, click on Site in the menu bar. From the dropdown, click View Site. This will open your published website in a new browser tab, showing you exactly what visitors will see. Now that your site's open, look up at your browser's address bar at the very top of your window. That's where the URL lives. Highlight the entire URL by clicking and dragging over it, then copy it. You can use Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac, or just right-click and hit copy. That URL is now saved to your clipboard. And that's it. You can now share this URL anywhere you want. Paste it into an email to send to friends or family, share it on social media, add it to your email signature, or anywhere else you want people to find your site. Anyone who clicks that link will be taken straight to your live website. Just a couple of quick things to keep in mind. If you make any changes to your site after publishing, you'll need to click Save in the editor and then click Publish again to push those updates live. Your visitors won't see the changes until you republish. Also, your site won't show up in Google search results right away. It can take some time for search engines to find and index your site. If you want to check if Google's picked it up yet, you can search for site:yourwebsite.com in Google and see if it shows up. One more thing before you share your URL with the world, it's a good idea to click the Preview button at the top right of the editor first. This lets you check how everything looks and works on both desktop and mobile before anyone else sees it. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're good to go. And there we go, your website's now shared. Thanks for watching. See you next time.